How can I make a vision board without the vision? I would like to know. I'd like to see, but I'm on the hunt. Tried to do an application online, but boy, it is so long, so long. So I paused it, went another bath, and maybe I'll continue it when I'm in my bed before I go to sleep, and or tomorrow. But tomorrow. Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. In this video, I am organizing a part of my life. I'm organizing my letters and I'm organizing my shoes and bags. So why don't you come along with me and just touch the button, touch it and subscribe and help my channel to grow. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, how you doing? Well, it's another weekend. I'm going back to swimming today. Yes, I said back. I've stopped for a while. Nothing wrong with that. It's a new year, but guess what? It's the same old me and it's the same old thing. So nothing new there. And I'm on a hunt for some magazines because I'm gonna make a vision board. But it seems like people don't do magazines no more. Everything is online and printing. Yes, I do know I can print it, but I want to do it the cheapest way possible. I've got most of the things. I went shopping yesterday. I was supposed to bring my camera, but this is not a good vlogger, so I forgot it. So I'm on a hunt for some magazines and then I go swimming. I can't take my camera in swimming because people are naked. It's their privacy. So I'll see you later.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
pause this, take another bath, and maybe I'll concentrate in my bed before I go to sleep. And on tomorrow. But tomorrow I've got a long day. Work. And then I get which I might log that, but application mess. I'm gonna take these down and start cleaning and then decorate it properly.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.